AirPods 4 review. Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to my channel. Today, we will take an in-depth look at Apple's latest wireless headphone model, the AirPods 4. In this video, we will cover every detail from design to sound quality, battery life to connectivity features. Before we begin, I'd like to make a quick reminder. Keep in mind that I spend hours preparing this video, but subscribing to the channel and liking the video only takes 2 seconds. You are my source of motivation. By subscribing and liking the video, as well as activating the notification bell, you not only make me happy, but also stay updated on the latest tech products. Now, let's dive into the details. I hope you enjoy watching. Design and comfort. The AirPods 4 continues Apple's iconic open-ear design. They don't fit completely in your ear canal. Instead, they rest on the outer part of your ear. This design provides comfort during long usage. With a lightweight structure of only 4.3 grams, they can be worn for extended periods, though you might feel a slight pressure when you take them out. They stay in place during daily activities and light jogging, but I must note that there is a risk of slipping during long-distance runs. Additionally, Apple's smallest AirPods charging case is quite practical for carrying in your pocket. With an IPX4 rating, these headphones continue to function without being affected by sweat and light rain. This feature makes them ideal for use during intense workouts or outdoor activities. The internal mechanism and electronic components are specially protected to prevent damage from water and sweat. As a result, they maintain durability and performance even with prolonged use. Although the charging case isn't waterproof, careful handling can extend its lifespan. The water and sweat resistance make the AirPods 4 a perfect choice not only for listening to music but also for workouts and other active lifestyle needs. Sound quality. In terms of sound quality, the AirPods 4 meets expectations, but there are some shortcomings in finer details. The low frequencies are balanced, but it's difficult to fully feel the deep bass. The mid and high frequencies provide a dynamic experience. While they offer an enjoyable experience while listening to music, some details in the sound can occasionally get lost. The open design allows surrounding sounds to seep in, which may negatively impact sound quality. Therefore, listening to music in environments with a lot of external noise might not be very enjoyable. However, the spatial sound experience is quite impressive when watching movies. My dear friend, I just want to give you a quick reminder. If you've made it this far, don't forget to subscribe and like the video to support us. This video was made for you, so let's continue watching with joy. Features. The AirPods 4 works seamlessly with the Apple ecosystem. Features like automatic device switching and quick pairing provide great convenience for Apple users. However, the lack of multi-point connectivity support creates a disadvantage when switching between different devices. For example, switching between an iPhone and a Windows laptop is not made easier with the AirPods 4. Another feature users will appreciate is the gesture-controlled touch commands of the AirPods 4. This allows you to easily pause music or skip tracks. However, the absence of volume control may be somewhat disappointing. Battery life. When it comes to battery life, the AirPods 4 is quite ambitious. You can listen to music continuously for 6 hours on a single charge and get 4 hours of talk time. With the charging case, these times can be extended up to 30 hours. Additionally, the fast charging feature provides 1 hour of use with just a 5-minute charge. Wireless charging support is also available, making the charging process more convenient. Price and conclusion. The AirPods 4 comes with a price tag of $129. This places it slightly above average in the headphone market. However, there are alternatives in this price range that offer better sound quality and multi-point connectivity support. In conclusion, the AirPods 4 is a good option for those who are tied to the Apple ecosystem. However, I recommend considering alternative models for those looking for more features and better sound quality. Remember, there are always better alternatives. My dear friend, let me remind you of something small. If you've come this far, you can support us by subscribing to the channel and liking the video. We prepared this video just for you, so let's keep watching. Buy it if you're looking for Apple's most affordable headphones. These headphones integrate perfectly with all Apple devices while offering an enjoyable sound experience while keeping your budget in check. If you don't like in-ear tips, many alternatives have in-ear tips that perform better than the AirPods 4. If this design doesn't appeal to you, these headphones become a more suitable option. Don't buy it. If you don't only use Apple products, the lack of standard Bluetooth multi-connection support prevents easy switching between devices. Therefore, I recommend choosing an option that offers this capability along with better sound quality and active noise cancellation features. If you travel frequently, while the compact design of the AirPods 4 is ideal for travelers, its tendency to let in outside noise makes it difficult to enjoy music. Instead, consider a pair of headphones that offer active noise cancellation. My dear friend, if you liked this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support is invaluable to me, and every like and subscription drives me to bring you more content and share the latest tech releases. If you subscribe and enable notifications, you'll be the first to know when my new videos are up. See you in the next one. Stay tuned and keep exploring the world of technology.